Lesson 2.1. What is complexity? The unfolding phenomena tend to be multidimensional. They involving a multiplicity of mutually different aspects that are strongly interactive. The variability and instability of the dimensions combine with the impossibility of determining their interaction and relative effects. Understanding the multidimensional framework of the phenomena helps us steer clear of a function that tends to eliminate all that which cannot immediately be framed within our categories. Multidimensionality is one of the factors determining the complexity of contemporary phenomena and is the essential basis for their understanding. The theory of complexity addresses phenomena characterized by an indefinite number of intervening elements. Only a part of these elements is manifest, while a significant component is not evident. The development of the phenomena as a whole is conditioned by major elements of uncertainty, which do not permit understanding the effects of their interactions. The effect of our action is such critical and unpredictable context, in particular destabilizing, and tends to generate inadequate responses. Yet complexity leads us to adopt a simplifying paradigm for 1. To break down the situation of problem into simple parts that are easier to understand and manage under a disjunctive logic. 2. To theorize model for the problem according to an abstractive logic with respect to specific reality. 3. To bring problem on to know situations following a reductionist logic. The principle of disjunction, underpinned by the approach of separating and mutually isolating the general fields of scientific knowledge into natural sciences and human sciences, imply that complex issues can be reduced to simple components. To separate the knowledge into different specializations has broken the cognitive and interpretive fabric of phenomena as a whole, separating the analytic framework from its reality. It is an instinctive natural behavior destined to manifest its limits very soon, but above all, aggravate our lack of correspondence to the challenges. It's important to remember that the aggregation of simple portions of a phenomena is not the phenomenon in its entirety. Any attempt to look at complex phenomena through a simplified understanding will ultimately offer only a limited but above all fallacious and misleading understanding of reality. The planning of action plans and the implementation of measures, according to interpretation that do not recognize elements of complexity in the phenomenon itself, will manifest their limits on the operational level and lead us to wrong choices and actions.